Hello everyone, I am Gunjan Tomar and today I'm going to talk about the climate change, which is one of the biggest concerns to save the planet Earth. Let's understand what are the main factors and contributors of the climate change? Greenhouse gas emission is one of the biggest contributor in rising the temperature on planet Earth. And what are the most factors behind this greenhouse gas emission? So let's understand that. It's a group of gases which helps in rising the temperature of Earth. One of the biggest contributors is carbon dioxide, methane gas, and the nitrogen oxide. So these three gases contributes 95% approximate the greenhouse gas emission. So talking about the carbon dioxide is produced mainly from the humans like us because we breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. So we produces a lot of carbon dioxide. Also, the industries and the construction that also produces a lot of CO2. Burning coal, burning charcoals, coal mines, they produces a lot of CO2 as well. So these are the main contributors of the greenhouse gas emission from the carbon dioxide. And talking about the methane is also produced from the agriculture, also produced from the cattle farming. And the land fills with waste. When the waste burned out, it produces the toxic gases, and one of the gases, methane, which creates the human health hazards like cancerous diseases. Now, talking about the agriculture, you must be thinking, how does the cattle farming contributes to the methane production? So let's understand this. As because the every single time the cow burps, it produces methane, and whenever they manure, they produces the methane. So just to let you know, from the statistic perspective, a single cow produces approximate 100 to 150 kgs of methane gas per year, which means approximate 500 grams per day, which is huge if you are talking about more than one cow. So you can do the maths. And just one more fact, if the methane's life is quite shorter than the CO2. CO2 stays in the environment for more than 100 years, like 300, between 300 to 1000 years. However, the methane's life is short, which is approximate 12 years and so. But the impact methane